Good day to Madam. I'm the first representative for introduction and the other part will be presented by other member. So the term of fire insurance refers to a type of property insurance that cover fire-related damage and losses. Most policy include some form of fire protection, but homeowner may be able to purchase additional coverage in the event that their property is destroyed or damaged by fire. So purchasing additional fire coverage help to cover the cost of replacing, repairing or rebuild property that exceed the property insurance policy limit. General exclusions such as war, nuclear risk and similar peril are common in fire insurance policy.
The first fire insurance is valued policy. Under valued policy, the value of a subject matter is decided, upon which the insurer pays if it is destroyed or damaged. This policy doesn't work on the principle of indemnity. The agreed value that is compensated can be more or less than the market price. Second is specific policy. This policy paid up to the specific amount there is insured. In case of the fire loss, the insurer will pay for the loss that is less than the specific amount or up to the sum insured. Third is average policy. This clause is used to penalize the policyholder for taking up a policy with a lesser amount than the actual value of the property. The compensation amount is proportionally reduced in case the value of the policy is less than the insured property. Next is homeowner insurance. First is structure of the home. This part of a policy pays to repair or rebuild a home if it is damaged or destroyed by fire, hurricane, hail, lightning or other disaster listed in the policy. Second is personal belongings. Furniture, clothes, sports equipment and other personal items are covered if they are stolen or destroyed by the fire, hurricane and other insured disaster. Most companies provide coverage for 50 to 70% of the amount of insurance on the structure of a home. Next is liability protection. Liability covers against lawsuits for bodily injury or property damage the policyholder or family members caused to other people. It is also pays for damage caused by pets. The liability portion of the policy pays for both the cost defending the policyholder in court and any court.
Hello, my name is Nur Huwaida binti Jirain. So next, I'm gonna present about the protection provided by fire and homeowners insurance. So basically, the protection provided by fire and homeowner insurance is firstly, coverage against loss or damage to property. You will receive the amount of cover if you suffer loss or damage due to fire, lighting, explosion, theft involving break-in and out of the building, damage due to the treachery or broken pipe. Secondly, protect valuable items. It can cover loss or damage to your residence due to the incident that I mentioned above. Next, liability cover for you and your family. It can protect yourself and your spouse from legal liability in connection with bodily injury or property loss suffered by another person as a result of your negligence. Then, cash assistance. It can alleviate your financial burden. Financial assistance will be provided to cover any expenses incurred to face the challenging times when the home is no longer suitable for living. And lastly, reimbursement of compensation for damage caused by natural disasters such as floods, hurricane, thunderstorm and more. That's all from me. Thank you.
The most important benefit or advantage of fire insurance is that it gives policyholders, which is homeowners, a sense of security. Fire insurance will cover the cost of any damage to the home caused by the fire. Reviving and rebuilding a home can be simplified with financial protection, which can include replacing electrical devices such as computers, air conditioners, television set, and others. Another advantage of having fire insurance is that it makes it easier for people to comply with the terms of the policy. To ensure property is protected from fire-related accidents, it helps homeowners take on all the necessary protection. Homeowners are more aware of fire hazards because of fire insurance. The most serious disadvantage of fire insurance is the regular premium payment. A regular premium is money paid to buy insurance coverage in installments at particular time intervals, such as monthly or annually. The cost of fire insurance varies according to the likelihood of an accident involving a fire. Where there is a higher risk of fire, the owner must pay an additional premium. Every safety action against fire accidents must be taken along with the insurance premium paid by the homeowner. If this does not happen, the insurance company may refuse to pay for the fire damage. Accidental damage caused by natural disasters may need the purchase of extra insurance by the policyholder.
Next, I will present on how to make claims for fire and homeowner insurance. If a disaster occurs as a result of a fire, someone who hit by the disaster needs to file a claim under their insurance policy. They should be aware of the method and the documentation required to avoid rejection and expedite the claim process. Process of claiming fire and homeowner insurance is: first, notify your insurance carriers as soon as possible, either online or by phone, their toll-free number that available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Next, notify the fire and police department by call the fire department and the police. Then, the insurance company will inspect the issue. An inspector will be appointed by the insurance company to examine the issue. Then, someone who hit by the disaster need to fill out the claim form that has been provided. They need to fill out the claim form completely and submit it with other image and proofs. After that, they need to waiting for confirmation whether it is accepted or not by the company insurance. If granted, the claim can be settled in 15 to 30 days depending on the insurance company time frame.
Hi, my name is Nurashira binti Taha, matrix number BB20110519. Now, I want to present about examples fire and homeowners insurance. In fire insurance, it provides protection against incidents of fire, lightning, explosion. In homeowners insurance, there is coverage for personal belongings. Example of item covered are furniture, clothing, sport equipment, and other personal items if they are stolen or destroyed as a result of fire, hurricane, or other insured disaster. Trees, plants, and shrubs are also covered under standard homeowners insurance, as well as perils covered thief, fire, lightning explosion, vandalism, riots, and even plane crashes. Thank you.